Andhra Pradesh CM Chandrababu Naidu felicitated students from social welfare Gurukula schools who cracked IIT and NEET this year. 55 SC and ST students who secured seats in IIT and NEET thanked the government for its support and shared their happiness with the CM. Speaking on the occasion, Chandrababu Naidu advised the students to continue working hard and excel in higher studies. He wished them a bright future and urged them to bring pride to the state and the nation.